Pork chops is pork chops. The pork chop and the top of the pork.
Oh my god.
So long.
The timer for the squash. After you cut that third one, I'm gonna stop it.
So,
Yeah.
I started cooking about 20 years ago.
And just tell a story. Alright. You already put flour in there, right? Flour. So what is it about pork chops that you like?
They taste good,
And-
especially when you fry them
Uh-huh.
and or when you put them on a barbecue grill. The best thing ever, pork chops is.
So do you combine recipes that you found online? She's so
What
cute.
do you take me as?
You made it up yourself?
Pan that camera.
She taught you how to make pork chops?
She taught me how to make pork chops. That lady taught me how, which is my mother, taught me how to make pork chops. She is one of those Mississippi Southern cooking ladies. But I took it and added a little of my generation to it and put a little spin on it.
Okay.
So it's one of those type of recipes. Blend is so
Smell like that. I'm glad it didn't fall into grease. It scared me. I didn't even know it was coming off. Scared the mess out of me. Dang, it's bleeding already. Ew.